What is going on, Moto fam? We're on a night ride today with the crew, and we've got a lot more with us than usual. All kinds of bikes out here tonight. Looks like we've got the Duke FZ10, the Busa, Ninja 400, CBR 1000, MT09, and the MT07. We're taking a quick trip to some small canyon roads, just a leisurely cruise. Go ahead, bro. These are good vibes for a nice ride. Okay, what the hell? Pretty sure it's not an officer vehicle. They just pulled up behind me, and we were just parked here. We're just sitting here at the light, so I'm gonna keep going. Definitely still behind me. I'm just gonna pull over real quick just to see what it is. It's just a little minivan. Not sure what he's trying to do. I'm just gonna stay behind him, keep myself safe. So this guy definitely still has his red and blue lights on, and I'm not sure why. I don't know what that guy's issue was. He's just saying that we were being idiots, even though we were just riding down the road. So I'm guessing that he just didn't like a big group of bikers going down the street. He cut off his license, pretty much zoomed down this one lane road. It looks like there's another cop up ahead, and I think there's an accident. That's why the other cop is behind us. But that's pretty much it for why the random angry van decided to try to pull us over. Oh man, this looks like a pretty bad accident. Hopefully everyone is okay. Look at all this debris that's on the road. It probably just happened too, since one of the sheriffs just arrived on the scene, and I don't really see EMS on site. We've been on a quick ride, and what an eventful night it's been already. Anyway guys, it's time to announce the winner of the giveaway for the $100 Cycle Gear gift card. We have Yannick Bikes as the winner. I'm going to reach out to him, and if he responds back, I'll send out the gift card. If not, I'll redraw the giveaway. So congratulations to Yannick Bikes on winning the giveaway event. There will definitely be more giveaways to come. So if you guys are new viewers, hit that subscribe button to get your notification. But right now we're going to go ahead and catch up with the rest of the group, and that'll pretty much be the end of the night for me. I'm just going to do a pure ride video when we hit the canyons on my way out. That'll pretty much be it for the end of the ride. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later.